Picture this. You're scrolling through your social media feed, watching countless short-form videos and getting lost in the endless sea of content. Each video providing you with a quick hit of stimulation, leaving you craving more. But amidst this frenzy, have you ever wondered and realized how this is killing your productivity? Welcome to Improve Now, the channel where we help young men become the best possible versions of themselves. You see, our brains are wired to seek novelty and stimulation, and the internet provides us with an endless supply of it. From YouTube Shorts, TikTok, video games, the hub, our attention is constantly being pulled in multiple directions. But here's the thing, constantly chasing stimulation can lead to a cycle of distraction and procrastination. We will find ourselves unable to focus on important tasks because our brains are constantly seeking the next thrill. So how do we break free from this cycle and reclaim our productivity? And no, the answer is not a total dopamine detox like you may have heard. For better or worse, technology is constantly a part of our lives. Our world literally revolves around it. And cutting this technology out is just not a viable option in today's society. The answer is embracing boredom. By lowering our stimulation to baseline and training our minds to fulfillment in the seemingly mundane, we can actually increase our productivity and focus. But how do we do this? It starts by reassessing our habits and priorities. Right now, take a moment to make a hierarchy of fun list. You see, all you need to do is rank your current habits based on how stimulating they are. Then, cross out those stimulating activities that rank higher than the task you want to prioritize. Discipline and willpower are indeed valuable skills, but by removing the temptation of overly stimulating activities, we can make it easier for ourselves to stay on track. Remember, boredom is not the enemy. In fact, it's a superpower waiting to be harnessed. By learning to embrace moments of solitude and quiet, we can tap into our creativity, focus, and productivity like never before. So the next time you find yourself reaching for your phone or succumbing to distraction, remember the power of boredom. It's not about depriving yourself of fun, but rather redefining what fun means to you. So go out and get some shit done today. Improve now.